Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haleigh and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing our own DIY eyebrow extensions. I saw all over YouTube where YouTubers were doing the Japanese brand, their eyebrow extension gel. And then I saw on Instagram and Twitter where people were making their own out of cut up eyelashes and aloe vera gel. So I decided, why not? Let's try it. So we're gonna do that today, and I'm gonna go show you what you need to do or what you need to have for this, and we will be right back. You'll need some eyelashes that you don't really use. You'll need a spoolie and another little brush, some scissors, a little cup, and the other one I saw had aloe vera gel, but I want this to stick. We're gonna give it a good try. So this is a level 10 hold Haleigh Looks hair gel. So we are going to go ahead and cut up these lashes, put them in here, and then mix it with some hair gel. So this is what our eyebrow gel looks like when we're done mixing it all together. So let's go ahead and apply this to our brows and see if this works. Okay, so obviously the rest of my face is done. This is our mixture. It looks so nasty, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. The only thing I don't have done obviously is my eyebrows, so we're gonna go ahead and brush those up. And as you can tell, I have very bushy eyebrows as it is. People in middle school used to call me unibrow because that's how thick my eyebrows were. So I plucked them, I used to shave them, I used to pluck them into little tiny lines. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. Put this up here, and we're gonna go ahead and brush these on. Oh God, I'm scared. So the issue with this eyebrow is obviously there's this scar right here, and it won't go in right down here to match this one. So usually that's what I fill it in with, but we're gonna try to fill it in with these eyebrow extensions and see how it works. Okay. I don't understand how this is supposed to work. Like, it's not sticking to my eyebrow. I'm really trying to make these work, guys. Also, really trying. Okay, it's not working. This spot right here on this eyebrow that I cannot get, and they don't look half bad. They really don't. But this is just like extremely time consuming. I cannot get it to stick to this one part of my eyebrow, and it's really getting me really mad. I'm trying to get this gel to dry. It just seems like it's too wet to get anything to stick to, and once you try to like spoolie them out, they just all disappear. Overall, I don't think they look half bad. They look a little crazy, okay? I couldn't get this spot filled in, and this spot right here did not want to fill in, and overall, I think you're better just drawing them on or filling them in with powder or using a brow gel, because this is just way too much work and it's just not worth it. So it's kind of a flop for me. I mean, they don't look awful. So I mean, if you have the time in the morning, by all means, cut up your eyelashes, put them in some hair gel, stick them onto your eyebrows, and call it a day. And I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's just gonna take some time. And I mean, I could see where you could like pick up like one at a time and place it in the specific direction, but they just wanna go all crazy and go different directions. And you're just like, what are we gonna do? You know, it's just like, whatever. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you like me, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.